Welcome to Learn Tutorials. Today I'll be showing you how to solve the Rubik's Cube. I'll leave the formulas in the description. So first, you'll have to mix up your cube. Once you have the cube mixed up, you're going to find the yellow center. And then you're going to find a white middle, like this, and turn it up to the yellow. And you're going to turn this until the color that matches up with the white matches up with the middle piece, like this. Then you're going to find another one. There's a red connected to the white, and it's already connected to the middle. So you're going to turn it. And you go over here to the next white. This one has a green. So I'm going to tip it over to the right. Bring it down and over. So this white is connected to this green. Then we're going to tip it to get it back up to the yellow. And you'll see we have all the sides connected. And this should represent a daisy. So then on one of the white sides, you're going to turn it twice. Then go to the next one. Then turn it twice. Then go to the next one. Turn it twice. And the last one, turn it twice. So when you turn over your Rubik's Cube to reveal the bottom, where the white is, you'll see you have a white cross. And it's important to make sure all these middles are connected with the right color. So now we're going to solve the corner pieces. So first you need to find a corner piece that has white. This one has blue and orange. So you're going to need to drag it underneath the blue and orange, like this. So this blue is on this side, and the orange is on the orange side. You're going to take the white and turn it away. You can turn the side you want to put it in, turn it down. You turn the white back towards the previous spot and bring it back up. And then you'll see that it is now connected in the proper order. So we're going to do it for this one. This one is in the wrong spot, so we have to get it out of this spot without messing it up. So we're going to find it, make sure it's on the right. We're going to turn it down. We're going to turn this white to the left. And then bring the two whites back up. So now we're going to put this white in its correct spot. It'll go between the green and the orange. That's two colors it has. You're going to turn it away, down, back over, and up. Now you'll see we'll have half the top of the cube has been solved correctly. So now we're going to use this white piece, move it over to its correct spot, which is between the red and the blue. We're going to turn it away, which in this case is left. Turn this down, back over, and up. And now we're having it almost solved all except one piece. So we're going to find the last piece, which is down here. Now this one's in a weird spot. It's facing down. So what we're going to do is what we've been doing previously twice. So it's under where it needs to go. You're going to turn it away, which in this case is to the left. Go down, over, and up. So now we have it back up here, and we know how to get rid of that. So we're going to put it to our left, bring it down, turn it away, and back up. Now we're going to just put it back into its slot, putting it underneath where it belongs, turning it away, down, over, and back up. So now you should have the top completely solved. Now we're going to fill in these spots that are in between. So to do that, we're going to make a T. So we're going to we'll do the red first, make a long red T. And it is not allowed to have whatever the bottom color is, which in this case is yellow. So you need to find a red. Here's one. You're going to bring it over, so it makes a red T. The bottom color that's attached to the red is green, and the color to the left is the green. So we're going to take the green, turn it away, bring it down, back over, and up. Now we're going to turn the Rubik's Cube so we're facing the white that we've got out of place, put that back in. We'll turn it away, down, back over, and up. And that is how to solve the in-between parts. Now we're going to continue doing that. So we're going to find the other red, which is here. So to get it out, you want to push this down, over, up. Now you're going to face the white, push it away, down, over, and up. And now that should have put the red free. So you'll see the red and the blue. So now we'll put that back into where it belongs. So you turn it away, down, over, and up. Now see the white is out of place. Then make it face us. Turn it away from where it needs to go. Turn the top down, back over, and up again. So now you'll see we have this full red side solved. We're going to continue doing this for the rest of the cube. So now we're going to find something that does not have yellow on it. So we have blue and orange. I'm going to drag that orange to where it needs to go. So it makes a big T. You're going to turn it away from where it needs to go, which is on the left where the blue is. Bring it down, over, and back up. You go back, face the white, turn it away, down, over, and up. Now we're going to go to find another orange. Here's an orange and green. So we're going to turn the green over until it matches. So just put this green into this spot here. You can turn it away, down, back over, and up. You're going to face the white, turn it away, down, back over, and up again. And you'll see we have the whole top two layers solved. So now to solve the bottom layer, you're going to turn the cube over. And if it has, now you're going to want to make sure that there's 3 yellows and an L, backwards L on the top left corner. So if you have it like this, all you need to do is rearrange it so it faces like this. This piece can be here or not. Now for this, we're going to, after you have it set up, turn it like this. You can do front, top, right, back, up counterclockwise, right counterclockwise, the front counterclockwise. You'll see we have this position. All you need is a yellow cross. And if you have one of these, make sure it's in the bottom left corner. And you can also have it facing like this. If it looks like this, you'll just hold it just like this. This will be your front, top, left, and right. You're going to do right, up, right inverted, up, right, up twice, and then right inverted. That should leave you with this. If it doesn't, do the formula again. So now we're going to take this and put it in the bottom left corner. Now you're going to do the formula once again. Right, up, right inverted, up, right, up, either direction twice, right inverted. Touch it back and do the formula again. And once you do the formula enough, you'll end up with this, where the top is completely yellow and the bottom two layers are completely solved. So if you do happen to have it solved on one side like this, make sure you have it lined up like that. Put it on the back. Once you've got the bottom two layers solved and the top is completely filled yellow, you can do right inverted, front, right inverted, back, back, right, front inverted, right inverted, back, back, right, right. And then you'll see that one side gets completely covered with the same color. You'll line that up. You'll see that the rest have everything but the middle. So you're going to take the side that's completely finished, which is this blue, turn it all the way around, put it in the back, and do the last formula. F, front, front, top, left, right inverted, front, front, left inverted, right, up, front, front. And if it doesn't work, do it again. Front, front, up, left, right inverted, front, front, left inverted, right, up, front, front. You'll see that Rubik's Cube gets completely solved. And as the cube isn't finished solving, and you end up with something like this, where all the corners are filled in, and one side is fully filled, then you use this formula. Front, front, up, left, right inverted, front, front, left inverted, right, up, front, front. Then we'll do that again. That is how to solve a Rubik's Cube. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.